My days, it has been so long since I've uploaded. In fact, I'm gonna go check. Well then, I just went and checked, and this is the date that I last uploaded. Well, it wasn't an upload, it was a stream. I tried streaming Team Fortress 2, but things went a bit funny, and oh well, whatever. I'm back now. Well, you might have to wait another 9 months or so till the next video, but I decided to make a little series on Python. So it will go through the basics of like how to print stuff to the console and that sort of thing, all the way through to really difficult things to like Pygame, that sort of stuff. But of course, some things I don't know how to do, but I'm taking GCSE computer science, so hopefully this will help me to learn and help you to learn. So anyway, let's go on with the video. So this first episode is going to run through how to actually install Python ready for coding. Now, to start off with, you want to go into your favorite browser or whatever, and you want to type in Python into the search bar, and then right here under the python.org bit, you want to click on download. So then right now, at this time of recording, the latest version is Python 3.6.5, so you just want to click on this download button here. And now you can skip through all of that, that doesn't matter. And this is the bit you want, the bit with the files. So now you want to find out what how many bits your laptop or computer runs on. Mine is 64-bit and it's Windows, so I will decide to go for the Windows x86 64 executable installer. Now that is an absolutely monstrous tongue twister to say. So what you want to do, whatever one you want, whether it's Mac or Windows, whatever, just click on it and then save here or whatever, and then when you find the file, whether it's popped up in the bottom left like my laptop because I'm using Google Chrome, whatever happens, you need to run it, and then you want to click install now, and then you wait, and there we go. It will say setup was successful and you can close that. So now if you go into your start menu, if you're on Windows, I don't know what you'll have to do for Mac, and scroll down to the P, you'll find Python 3.6 there, and the one we'll be using is the IDLE or idle. What I like to do, I like to pin it to the taskbar just down here, and then I'll position it where I want to. I'll have it there, and then there you go, that's all done. So you can click it and it will open up with, well, it'll normally open up with the shell, but where I've already had Python installed on my laptop, it opens up with a blank document, and the shell looks kind of like that, but it won't say we did it, but I thought I'd print that there because we did it. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this episode and hope you managed to actually install it properly. The next episode is going to be running through the basics like printing and variables. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.